And welcome to my Autodesk Revit tutorial. In today's Autodesk Revit tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the area reinforcement tool in Autodesk Revit. So this tool is useful for drawing in the rebar for your reinforced concrete slab. But before I show you how to use the area reinforcement tool in Autodesk Revit, I'd like you to hit the like button for this video, share this video, and subscribe for more Autodesk Revit tutorials like this. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I've already quickly drawn in this slab over here for us to go and draw in the steel reinforcements. So the way to do it is to go to the Structure tab and proceed to Area over here, Structural Area Reinforcement, and left click on it and select the reinforced concrete slab. Click on OK for this dialog box, and now all we need to do is to draw in the reinforcement area over here for the slab. So it's faster to just use a rectangle drawing tool since the shape is a square. Just click on OK over here right now. If you can't see the rebar, you can just select it, check on filter over here and check none. Click on structural rebar and OK, and edit the visibility to unobscured over here in the level 2 and 3D view. So now you can see the reinforcement clearly, like so. I'll change this to fine, and you can see all the individual bars over here. So if you select this slab right now, you can see quite a few settings here, like the top bar over here, which will have major and minor reinforcements over here, bottom major direction and bottom minor. So for example, if your slab doesn't have top reinforcement, you can uncheck on these two options here, and you'll be left with the reinforcement at the bottom part of the slab. And of course, you can change the size of your rebar over here to 10 millimeters or 13 millimeters. And apart from changing the bar sizes, you can also change the spacing of the bars over here. So right now everything is set to 300 millimeters, for example, for the major spacing. I can change that to 150 millimeters, for example, like so. So as you can see, when I change to 150, you might notice that the bars going along this way became more packed as I changed it to 150 millimeter spacing. That is affected by this line over here. So this is where the major direction is going to be. So it will move from left to right, like so. So if I were to change it to over here, for example, and click OK, now you can see that the spacing of 150 millimeters goes from this side to this side over here, like so. And other than rebar dimension and rebar spacing, you can also add in hooks over here. For example, you can adjust whether or not it is directed upwards or downwards, for example, like so. And you can adjust from either 90 degrees to 180 degrees, for example, like this. And those are your typical settings for the structural reinforcement for reinforced concrete slabs. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like this tutorial, share this tutorial, and subscribe for more Autodesk Revit tutorials and civil engineering tutorials in the future. And as always, stay safe, keep learning, and goodbye.